Today, we are going to talk about tables and hyperlinks in HTML. Last time, we learned about images, links and lists. This time, we are looking into tables in HTML. Tables help structure and present data neatly. Here's a simple table structure.
In this example, table tag creates the table, tr tag defines a row, et tag creates a table header, and td tag creates a table cell. The border attribute adds a border around the table and its cells.
Now, let's talk about table attributes. Attributes like border, cell spacing, and cell padding control the table's appearance. Using table headers and proper markup helps screen readers interpret the table structure. Let's move on to hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are created using the A tag. Here's an example. We can also link to specific sections within the same page using anchors. For instance, another use of hyperlinks is email links. For example, to summarize, tables structure data in rows and columns, and hyperlinks navigate between web pages or sections.